safe from dew. And you wonder why the earth below does not bear fruit enough for you. Everyone running to his home, each one looking to the things of his own. So much, bringing little, eat and drink, but you're never satisfied. And the wages that you earn go through a back way holes, no matter how hard you try. So I call for a drought upon your land, on your corn and your wine and the labors of your hand. 'Cause my house lies wasted, and you say that the time has not yet come to build my resting place. So consider your ways, consider your ways. Build my house, build my house, build my house. Go to the mountain, bring me wood for my temple. Stone upon stone, we'll build it together. 'Cause the Lord's gonna dwell in the praises of his people. Build my house, build my house. When my house is finished, you shall minister before me as my priest, saith the Lord. You shall be my planting and shall be called my trees of righteousness. For behold, this place shall be filled with my glory, and the glory of the latter shall be greater than the former. And the peace that you seek will I give you with blessing. I will give to them the morning Zion, beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, and the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness.